Alright, I finally got my wheels. JNC 005 18x8 in hyper black. Plus 34 offset. I originally wanted silver, but they didn't have that color in stock anymore. But hyper black, it's not too dark. It's not as dark as gunmetal, but it's a bit lighter. I'd say it's like a really light gray or like a dark silver. So it's the machine lip and hyper black face. Let's see if we could get it out in the light. You can tell it's not too dark. I was worried it was going to be too dark, but this is looks good. No. So yeah, these are BBS LM reps, mesh style. I just picked up some lug nuts. Also got my end links.
Kevin, man, next time you got those many girls over, give me a call, bro.
Jeez!
Bradley, can you sit like no friends? No, it's cool. Let me sit down over here.
No, it's cool.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Show you what we're doing.
Fuck, eh? It's flush. Look at this guy.
I might have to get both these soon. Sorry, what? They're cool.
Oh,
fuck.
that's the Bondo.
You have touch-up team? It's good that came out. That's why it's not rolling. Okay.
Yeah. Have you tried these yet? No, eh?
I might put them on, huh? Yeah, they don't fit.
They don't? You're good. I didn't see it. It's a vid.
It's a vid.
It's a vid.
COVID! It's a COVID!